Hey everyone, we're Donna and Casey, and we've been together for a long time. We haven't been everywhere, but it is on our list.
So, we bought a 2019 ProMaster cargo van. I outfitted it to a camper van, and with our dog Frankie, we hit the road. Thanks for joining us on our adventure. So here we are on the banks of Lake Superior in Duluth, Minnesota. Beautiful. There's a beautiful beach down there below us. We're standing on a little rock outcropping here. We're gonna hike down to the beach and wade around in Lake Superior, and then we're gonna sit on that log over there and let our feet dry off, right?
That's the plan, but it's in pencil.
We will have dipped our toes in every lake except for Huron. We still have to get over to Huron.
We'll do it though. All right, we're here at Lake Superior, and Casey is going in, although it's pretty cold.
I think this might be the coldest lake at 40 degrees average temperature.
Oh, it's cold. Ah.
Whoa, that's cold. Get away from the shoreline. It is cold.
Oh, he did it. Good job. So here on the shore are rocks.
Big rock, right down there.
And so I was told by a local yesterday that
Invigorating.
as I was saying, I was told by a local yesterday that on the North Shore, they have rocks on the beach, and on the South Shore, they have sand.
We're here in Duluth, Minnesota, visiting this beautiful park that runs along the Lake Superior. Got some amazing roses out here. That's beautiful. And other flowers. Well, these are all roses. I guess those white ones are roses too. Beautiful. What's a garden fairy? So that rose garden we were just in, it's in Leif Erikson Park. And here's a statue of Leif Erikson. And on the inscription it says, Leif Erikson, discoverer of America, 1000 AD. Way to go, Leif.
And then we drove up to the Boundary Waters Canoe Area Wilderness at Sawbill Lake, one of my favorite places.
So what's to do in the B.W.C.A? Canoe adventure, of course. Here we go.
All right, here we are on Sawbill Lake. We're going to take a little half-day canoe trip. We're going to go to 2 or 3 different lakes today. Casey is going to portage the canoe from one lake to the next.
This is a backcountry canoe recreation area. Wilderness Canoe Backcountry Area, B.W.C.A, I think they call it.
It's just amazing up here.
It's in Minnesota. And,
it's going to be a fun day.
yeah, it's gorgeous up here. So we came from way down there. There's an island at the very center of the shot, and we came from the other side of that island. And we're going way up here. as far as you can see up there, there's a canal that goes off to the left, and that will take us to the portage to get to another lake, I think. We hope. Wish us luck.
Okay, now we think we found the portage to get us to the next lake. And we're thinking it's right over there. So paddle us on in there, Casey.
Aye, aye, Captain.
On our journey, I keep hoping to see a moose, and we talked to someone today and they said there have been a lot of moose spotted up here this summer, so got my fingers crossed today.
He was pretty young, though. The guy we were talking to was pretty young. He may have been talking about Rocky and Bullwinkle.
Whoop. This is definitely the right spot.
Looks like a portage to me.
And there comes Casey. Here we are. We're going from one lake to the other. You got to carry your canoe. Say hello. Okay, now we're on this little river, which is taking us from Sawbill Lake over to another lake. And it looks very moosey out here. I'm sure we're gonna see a moose. I just know it. Just hopefully he's not standing in the middle of the waterway. I want to see one. I don't want to touch one. And it might rain on us. And I think the wind might be headed towards us instead of at our backs. But that's okay. We'll figure it out.
We paddled down or up Sawbill Lake. We portaged over to this river, and it's taking us out to Alton Lake, which is a much bigger lake than Sawbill. Sawbill was pretty big. If the wind is too strong on Alton, we might turn around and go back the way we came. We have to do our second portage now from the river to the big lake, Alton Lake, and we think it's over there, but we are not sure this time. We were more sure with our first portage, so hopefully we'll find a trail over here.
All right, second portage. He's doing it like a pro. Oh yeah, there he goes. There
Off we
he
go.
is. I don't think this one's very long either. Oh no, I can already see the water over there. And just so everyone knows, I do have to carry the oars and the life jacket, so I'm doing a little something. Now this is might be tough here. The wind's gonna be blowing in our face on this big lake, but we can do it. Woohoo!
Well, we didn't see a moose, and it's probably a good thing for me because I let the batteries go dead. Didn't even get the third portage. And if we had seen a moose and I didn't get a recording, I'd be living out here with this squirrel.
You got that right. Just means we'll have to come back again. I really, really love this place.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life.